Hi Xiao, today I'm going to have Pokemon Pasta! Yahoo! They gave a free Pikachu food kit with it, so I get to keep this and use it for seeding other foodstuffs. As you can see, I'm currently boiling the water. My friend David taught me that boiling the water from the kettle and then putting it in the pot, apparently it boils faster. Yeah, so I'm gonna use his method. For my pasta. I think this one should do it. I'm only going to use half and I'm going to give the other half to Yuyu so that he can make his own vegan pasta. So let's see what shapes they got. Ooh, there's a Pikachu. Here's another Pikachu. Here's an Eevee. And here's a Piplup. According to the instructions, I only need to boil this for 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so let's put the water here. Bring it over to the stove. Ooh, steaming up my lens. So once this starts bubbling up, I'm going to add the pasta. Oh, that's quick. Oh, it's getting dark. Let me turn the light on. No! Now I'm gonna add the pasta. Well, I don't think I should put, I think half is also too much. Now we'll fix this part. Is that half? I think it is. Now I'm gonna save these for Yuyu. I need to start counting 10 minutes from now. And then, this is my section and this is Yuyu's section because he's really tall, so he can reach here and I can only reach up to here. So yes, now I'm gonna put this Pokemon pasta up here so he can see it. Should I turn the heat down a little? Maybe I should put this. Maybe. Does this help? I think it's making it worse. Should I stir it? I'm scared. Oh, it's going down now. Okay. I think I just have to keep stirring it. Let me just... Okay. I got this. Okay, maybe I should turn it down a little more. Higher. Lower. Higher. I still got 8 minutes back. Let me just do this. Okay. I feel safer using my silicone spoon because it's, heat resistant. I think I should stop the camera because 8 minutes of me doing this is kind of boring to watch. No. Just 1 more minute and then it should be ready. Kind of. I still need to add the sauce. Oh, it's been 10 minutes. Okay. Now I need to drain the water. Now it looks so nice and plump. Now I'm gonna add this creamy carbonara sauce. Ooh. Was I supposed to shake it? I've never actually used this before, so I hope it tastes good. I think that's enough sauce. Let's bring this back to the stove. I think I'm supposed to heat this for like 5 minutes. I hope it doesn't burn. Oh, it's got like bits of ham in it. I was thinking of getting ham. I guess I don't need to now. It's 5 minutes too long. Let's do 3 minutes. Oh jeez. I think we're good. I think this is enough. Just to be on the safe side. The sauce blocks up the holes of the pasta, so you can't really see the facial features of the Pokemon anymore. Now it just looks like this. Ooh, smells yummy though! I'm gonna put it in this oriental bowl. I should put this in the fridge. They say it's good for like the next 3 or so days. Ta-da! Let's give this a try. Oh, it's like this strong smell of ham. should have boiled the pasta a little bit longer than 10 minutes. I mean, it's still edible. I forgot my apple juice. Hold on. Honey, I'm home. Got my apple juice. That hit the spot. So, we have good news. The US government finally announced that they're going to lift the travel ban on the 8th of November. I kinda wanna move my flight to November. I'll have to wait and see what happens. Is anybody watching this from LA by any chance? 'Cause that's where I'm going. Should I add some sriracha? Fuck it.
Hey, Joey.
I won't add too much. Is that too much? Let's mix this. I don't know about you, but when I add sriracha to most things, it tastes better. Slightly better. I don't know what it is. Ooh, there's the kick. Maybe this would have tasted better with like tomato sauce. I think this one's really, the flavors are weak. It's like watered down or something. Oh, I wish I had some cheese. Like grated cheese and just that was crap. Would I buy the pasta again? Yes, sure. Would I buy the sauce again? Nah. Thank you for watching.